Science has demonstrated that the body is composed of different forms of energy operating at different frequencies. The BodyTalk system, developed by Dr. John Veltheim in the mid-1990s, is designed to harmonize these energy networks to optimize the overall balance in the body at all levels.
I developed the BodyTalk system in the mid-90s, and it was basically out of personal need because I had an Epstein-Barr virus myself that wasn't responding to any other therapy. So I used my background in naturopathy, acupuncture, and chiropractic to devise a different system that would address this problem.
BodyTalk is an integrative holistic healthcare system based on the philosophy that the body has an innate wisdom to know what is wrong with itself and is capable of healing itself at all levels.
Essentially, there are three basic principles of BodyTalk. The first is to establish what is going on in the body by asking it. The second is to find out through that asking what links we need to establish in the body to improve the communication systems, and then we tap that into the body to get the brain to bring about the changes that it requires to normalize the health patterns of the body.
I'm a gymnast and I had 2 fractures in my spine, the L5, and after over a year, I went seeking through a lot of doctors, specialists in therapy, and nothing was working, and found BodyTalk, and after 5 treatments, my back was completely healed.
Each of us has an innate wisdom in the body which is constantly trying to communicate with us. The difficulty is that that innate wisdom can break down in its communication efforts. With BodyTalk, we're trying to access the innate wisdom of the body through muscle biofeedback in order to determine what's wrong with the body and how to treat it.
BodyTalk means having my baby here right now. He was premature born baby at the hospital. He was sick, and because of BodyTalk, he survived a deadly disease.
By working to balance the body biochemically, physiologically, and emotionally, while addressing beliefs and attitudes, the BodyTalk system establishes itself as a very powerful tool in the field of personal development. The BodyTalk system is state-of-the-art energy medicine for the future and will enable practitioners to be involved at the forefront of new approaches to healthcare in the 21st century.
BodyTalk is a complete healing system. My background is in acupuncture and Chinese medicine, and when I learned BodyTalk, I found that the results were much quicker, and that also it was a system that could be taught to others, learned by anybody, which is very important. There's a difference between a healer and a healing system, and a great healing system is something that can be learned by all.
You do not need to be a doctor or practitioner to benefit from the BodyTalk system. BodyTalk Access is designed to make some of the most powerful and beneficial BodyTalk techniques available to families and laypersons.
The BodyTalk Access system enables the average family or community to be empowered with a very simple, safe healthcare system that can be learnt in about a day, and enables them to address some 50 to 60% of the healthcare problems that come up from week to week.
The BodyTalk Access techniques can be learned in a single one-day training, and those who complete the training will be able to positively impact the health balance of friends, family, and others immediately after completion of the course.
I've been a BodyTalk client for over 4 years, and it's made such a big impact in my life that I decided to become a practitioner so I can treat my children, and now I treat my friends as well because they've seen how it has changed my life, really.
The BodyTalk system reduces healthcare costs while supporting and strengthening the standards of the healthcare industry.
Because BodyTalk system is state-of-the-art energy medicine, it lends itself to use the techniques and the formulas that we have developed to be able to augment all other aspects of healthcare. And we're finding that BodyTalk is going into many branches of traditional and alternative medicine, and enabling those practitioners to utilize these holistic approaches to be much more effective in whatever field they're practicing.